What's up, guys? This is Eric.
And I'm Niki.
This is Eric and Niki. Today I'm going to talk about this deal. Talk about what we did right, what we did wrong, how we salvaged it in the end to make some money, but how it could have also went very, very wrong. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tell your friends. So guys, the biggest thing with this deal, number one, as always, is don't buy bad deals. If the numbers don't work off current market conditions, don't buy it. Now, with that being said, you also have to take risk. So I don't really believe in luck. I think luck is something that people talk about who are already working really, really hard, and they just get opportunities. The market goes with them. The years that they've been in the industry goes with them. The knowledge that they've created goes with them. Luck is absolute bullshit. However, when market timing meets with the opportunity that you risk, you get to have the profit be better in the end. Fortunately for us, that was the case here. We purchased this property at $219,000. At the time, we were expecting our rehab to come in at about $60,000, holding costs to be about $20,000, and then we sell around $315,000 to $325,000. If the numbers don't work off current market conditions, don't buy it. There wasn't a ton of margin in the beginning anyways. But we also were thinking we could keep the roof, we could keep the HVAC, we could, not have to do a ton of stuff to the pool that would really get us the value there.
And we like the area.
Love the area.
This is where we live, this is home to us, and making where we live better really was attractive.
Exactly. And with this property, there were no comps within the vicinity of what we were going to do. There was nothing with a pool. There was nothing completely remodeled. And so we were basing our comps off current square footages without a pool and things like that. So what I like to do with comps is you want to make sure that you're looking at a price per square foot. That's what I always go off of. I don't care about final exit price. I care about price per foot. How much am I in it for and how much can I sell it for? As we went through this project, unfortunately, our rehab ended up being $120,000. So that really ate in. So if you take our numbers of 219 plus 120, we're already over what my expectation to sell for was without holding cost and without realtor commission.
But a good rule of thumb in rehabbing and building is it will take longer and it will cost more. So we should have known.
Yep. And the other thing is we now add a 15% contingency on every single rehab budget that we have. We also have a very finite way now of tracking our budget and pre-budget. So what I mean by pre-budget is getting everything line item so we know where it's at. So we fixed that in this house actually as we're sitting here. So we got the opportunity though to become lucky because the market met our risk. So what I mean by that is as we were doing this project, the market kept going up and getting crazier and crazier, which is great for us, not so great if it hadn't did that.
Right.
So you have to take risk, but you also have to have calculations on what happens if it doesn't work out. Here's the thing, if you're not losing money on at least one deal, out of 10, you're not taking enough risk. I think that's opportunity that comes that you could have had. I went back the last couple of months and even looked at the deals I passed on that I thought were too risky, and they crushed it.
Right.
One I thought was at $475, sold for $615. One that I thought was gonna sell for $325, sold for $365. So again, that is opportunity and risk meeting each other with a great increase in purchase price. So We ended up actually selling this house for $390,000, no realtors involved at all. We're gonna end up having a really good spread in this deal, but the reason that we were able to do that as well is because we did put a little bit more in. We went ahead and replaced the roof. We went ahead and replaced the HVAC. As you can see, we completely redid the pool. And doing those things is what set us apart. There's nothing like this in the market, so we drew a premium for that. In the end, the biggest thing that you wanna do in rehabs like this is definitely go off current comps, but don't be afraid to pull the trigger. Pulling the trigger often is how you're going to scale your business. But have some reserves, have some, line item in there that you have some overages already built in, and understand that it is gonna cost you more to do the job. So we're gonna walk away with this deal with about $40,000. We also brought in a partner, so we're gonna split that with them, and we'll each make about 20 grand when it's all said and done. So really, really good opportunity, really good deal in the end, but
it could have gone very bad.
Could have gone very south very quickly. And as you can see, not all of our deals are home runs, but for us, we like to continue to do deals, and we like to leave things better than we found them. And we feel like we've done that with this deal. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if you ever have any questions for us, DM us or shoot us a comment.